Hello student, today we start JEE chapter 7 79 question. In 79 question, if x is equal to integration 0 to y dt upon root 1 plus t square, then what is d square y upon dx square? Okay, so here what? Here first of all we put x equal to integration 0 to y dt upon root 1 plus t square. Therefore, d upon dx of x is equal to d upon dx of integration 0 to y dt upon root 1 plus t square. Now there is one rule which is useful. So here note down, this is one rule which is useful for this type of function, that d upon dx of integration gx to fx at ht dt, then it is here directly we put h fx, h and this fx we put here into derivative of this function we put here minus h gx and derivative of the x is there, right? Same way here we applying this formula, then we have 1 equal to first of all here we put directly 1 upon root 1 plus y square into dy upon dx minus 1 upon under root 1 minus 1 plus 0 square into d upon dx of 0, right, which is 0. So we have 1 equal to dy upon dx into 1 upon root 1 plus y square. Now we just simplify here and we put this root 1 plus y here. So we have root 1 plus y square is equal to dy upon dx. Now we want to derivate again. Then what we do? We just derivate this term. We get 1 upon 2 root 1 plus y square into dy upon dx is equal to d square y upon dx square, right? So here this root 1 plus y square we put here, then we have this into derivative of this is also 2y, it is there, so 2 is removed, and we just put dy upon dx, which is root 1 plus y square is equal to d square y upon dx square. These two are removed and we get d square y upon dx square is equal to y, right? So this way we can obtain this answer very easily, right? But you remember this formula. This is very important for us to find the derivative of the integrative term. Then and in definite integration we use this way, right? Now we go for the next one. Next 18th sum, integration 7 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 3 root 10 square x dx is equal to dash. So here I equal to integration 7 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 3 mod 10x dx. Now 7 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 3 both lies in 4th and 1st quadrant. So here we take the two part of this 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi, and here mod 10x dx plus integration 2 pi to 7 pi by 3 mod 10x dx. Now in 4th quadrant 10 is negative, therefore we put negative 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi 10x dx plus here first quadrant it is positive 10x dx. Now this is log mod sec x. Here directly we put log mod sec x, or here we just put cos x, and 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi plus log mod sec x, here 2 pi to 7 pi by 3. Now we just put the value cos 2 pi log cos 2 pi is 1 minus log 7 pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2 plus log sec 7 pi by 3. 7 pi by 3 is 2 minus log 1. So these two are 0, and here we just put the simplification that root 2 is we take log root 2 plus log 2. It is log 2 root 2. This is our answer. Log 2 root 2 is the answer of this question, right? So this way this sum is also quite different. Here not hard but quite different, right? So be careful for this type of sum, and then we go for the next one. Okay, next sum 81. Integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x upon 1 plus 2 raised to x dx. So here we just replace this x with pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x. So we have minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square minus x upon 1 plus 2 raised to minus x dx. Now here this is LCM and we just simplify it. Then we get our answer that minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 2 raised to x sin square x upon 1 plus 2 raised to x dx. Now what? We just add and subtract 1 from numerator. So we get pi by 2, 2 raised to x plus 1 minus 1 and sin square x dx upon 1 plus 2 raised to x. So here we have minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx minus integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x upon 1 plus 2 raised to x dx. This is I. So we take this is 2i. 2i is equal to this is even function. So 2 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx, and therefore I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx, and just 1 by 2 we put outside, x minus sin 2x by 2 0 to pi by 2. So we have first we put pi by 2, then we have 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 0 minus 0. So we have pi by 4. Answer is pi by 4. So this type of question is easy question, but it is online 2013 question. Okay, therefore be careful of for this type of sum and do it with this method, then you can easily understand. Here I mention this formula that a to b fx dx is equal to integration a to b f a plus b minus x dx. Here we just apply this formula, then we get the answer, right? So be careful and remember it very carefully. Okay, 82 sum. This is quite lengthy and quite different type of sum is there. Here 0 is less or equal to x is less or equal to pi by 2. Integration 0 to sin square x sin inverse root t dt plus integration 0 to cos square x cos inverse root t dt is equal to dash. This is online 2013 question. First we take I1 equal to 0 to sin square x sin inverse root t dt. So here what we do? Here we take substitute t is equal to sin square u. Therefore dt is equal to 2 sin u cos u du, as x is 0, u 0, x equal to sin square x means x equal to sin square x, or t equal to, not x but here t equal to sin square x, then u equal to sin square x means u equal to means t equal to this is sine square x. Okay, sorry, this is x, right? So this way we can convert them into a simple form. Now we take I1 is equal to 0 to x, 0 to x, and then simplification. Here we put sine inverse sine u, sine square means u into sine 2u du. Now here we applying the partial law. First as it is, integration of second 0 to x minus in integration derivative of first, integration of second means cos 2u by 2 du. Okay, now here we just simplify, then we get minus x by 2 cos 2x, and 0 means answer is 0, plus 1 by 4 sine 2u 0 to x. So our this answer is minus x by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 4 sine 2x. This is our first answer of I1, right? Now we just put I2 equal to, I2 is equal to integration 0 to cos square x cos inverse root t dt, and here we take t equal to cos square v, t equal to cos square v, and just simplify. Then dt is equal to minus 2 cos v sin v dv, and as x equal to 0, v equal to x equal to 0, then v equal to pi by 2, and x equal to not x but t, and t equal to cos square x, t equal to cos square x, then x equal to v, right? So this way pi by 2 to v is the limit. I2 is equal to integration pi by 2 to v, v means, sorry, v is x, means x, here v into minus sine 2v dv. Okay, now here we want to simplify, so first I remove this I1. The answer of I1 is here. I just make a box to this I1. Okay, and now all these terms I remove because the place is quite small, so therefore, and then we want to take I1 plus I2, so here I remove this also. Okay, now we just simplify it and make it a partial law. Then we have first as it is, integration of second is cos 2v upon 2 pi by 2 to v, pi by 2 to x, not v, minus in integration pi by 2 to x, same kind of cos is there, so this is minus cos, so this become plus cos 2v by 2 dv, minus here we put first we put x, then we have minus x by 2, minus x by 2 cos 2x, and then pi by 2, then we get plus pi by 2, and cos pi is minus 1, plus 1 by 4 sine 2v, pi by 2 to x. So we have x by 2 plus pi, x by 2 cos 2x plus pi by 2, and here this 2 is also there, so here it become pi by yes, so this become pi by 4, not pi by 2, but this is pi by 4, and then plus 1 by 4 sine 2x, and cos this becomes 0, minus 0. So our answer is x by 2 plus pi by 4, and this become first we put x, then okay. So here when we open this bracket, this negative sign, then this become positive, and therefore or means here this negative sign we put for this, but here the sign is changed and this become negative, so negative sign we carry forward. Now this is I2. Now I1 plus I2, we just adding this 1 and 2, then you know that these two are opposite. Here cos 2x is left, cos 2x. So these two are opposite and cancelled. These two are also cancelled. So only pi by 4 is our answer. So this way we can obtain the answer is pi by 4. Right? So this sum is quite different and quite hard, quite lengthy. So be careful. Next 83, 0 to pi root 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2 dx. It is integration 0 to pi under root. This become a perfect square trinomial 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 square dx. And we take the square root are removed, then we have modulus 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now there are two parts. Here sin x by 2 is 1 by 2, means there are two parts of this function, which is 0 to pi by 3. 0 to pi by 3 more 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 dx plus pi by 3 to pi sin x by 2 minus 1 modulus dx. Now here in this interval, this become a negative. This is negative, therefore we can directly put integration 0 to pi by 3 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 dx, and plus here it become positive, so pi by 3 to pi. So we directly put integration pi by 3 to pi 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now if this is completed, then you can easily do the sum very well. Okay, so we just put integration x minus x plus 2 cos 2 means 4 cos x by 2 and 0 to pi by 3 plus same way here we have minus 4 here minus 4 cos x by 2 minus 1 and then pi by 3 to pi. Right? Now we just simplify, but here what we do, we just taking negative sign common and interchange the limit. Pi by 3 plus 4 cos pi by 6 minus 0 minus 4. Okay, then here we just change the limit, 4 cos x by 2 plus 1 pi to pi by 3. So here pi by 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2 minus 4 and then plus 4 cos pi by 6 is 4 root 3 by 2 plus pi by 3 minus 0 and minus pi. Okay, then we simplify and we get our answer is 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3. Right? So this way this sum is also quite different and quite important. Okay, 2014 question is there. '84 integration 0 to 1 by 2 log 1 plus 2x upon 1 plus 4x square dx. Here what we take substitution 2x equal to tan theta. Therefore, dx equal to sec square theta 1 by 2 d theta. Okay, as x equal to 0, theta is 0, x equal to half, theta is pi by 4. Therefore, I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4, this is log 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta into 1 by 2 sec square theta d theta. This sec square and 1 plus tan square are removed, 1 by 2, or we directly put 2i is integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta into sec square theta, not sec square theta, only d theta. Now we replace this theta by pi by 4 minus theta. This type of sum is we do in our previous sum, tan pi by 4 minus theta, and simplify, we get integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus tan theta. This is integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 d theta minus integration 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan 2 theta d theta. This is I, so we are taking it to one side, then it is 3i is 0 to pi by 4, or directly we integrate, then log 2 into x or theta, not x but theta 0 to pi by 4, it is pi by 4 log 2. So our final answer I equal to pi by 12 log 2, right? So this is our answer, pi by 12 2i integration, just a minute. Okay, one thing you remember, here we put I, but this is not I but 2i is there. So our answer is quite different. This is 4i, and then we have this is 16, right? So pi by 16 log 2 is answer. Here we replace this by 2i, not I, because this is 2i. This is I, but this 2i is there because 1 by 2 is there. Therefore there is some mistake, pi by 16 to log 2. Okay. So this way we can complete our sum. Now we go for the next